guests turn into a demon.
I started by taking modeling clay and turning them into little horns.
Everybody in the building disappear. That's the way you're looking at me. Whispering silly nothings in my ear.
Figure out the shape you want, make the bottom flat so it has lots of surface area to stick to your head. So I made these two little horns, and then you can just put them on your head and see if you like the size. I made mine a little bit smaller. I found that the modeling clay stuck without any adhesive, and it stuck really well. I put it through many tests, and it sticks to dry skin pretty well. So here I'm putting on the NYX Jelly Primer, putting on moisturizer for my dry skin, and then this eye cream. And because I put the moisturizer on my skin, the horns didn't stick as well, so if you're going to a Halloween party with modeling clay horns, I suggest you use a little bit of eyelash glue to stick them on. Just laying down foundation as a base. Adding some concealer and foundation to the horns to try to blend them in a little bit, not going for perfect. Using the Fenty Beauty concealer, concealing the eyes, the nose, and the top lip.
You don't want this kiss. You don't want this touch. Better not come crying when it's all too much.
Using the Fit Me powder and this e.l.f. sponge, press it into the skin where you get creases around the nose, on the forehead, and then use a brush with the Fit Me powder to just set the rest of the face. Now tap out the creases in the eye and then set it with powder. We use this liquid lipstick to make a shape. Add extra powder under the eye to prevent fallout. Now using Fetish from the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, I'm setting that liquid lipstick. And now using concealer on a flat brush, you should use tapping, but you should use tapping motions to cut out the shape. And then setting that with the Fit Me loose powder. Now we're using concealer to make a spotlight eye look. Then setting that with gold. Blend out the edges with red. Brush away the extra loose powder. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Auburn, and I'm gonna make really thick brows. Carving those brows out with concealer. And now using those patting motions to cut out the eyes, because I messed it up before.
Stay away from me. Don't play with me. I can't take it easy. Too much pain on me. You don't make it easy. Once you offer me, maybe I'm too
setting that with loose powder. Cutting out the top of my brow. Putting the liquid lipstick in my waterline. Now I'm blending down the eyeshadow look with the same red. Now I'm attempting to contour my broken nose with red eyeshadow. Using this flat brush to get a really straight line. And then blending it out with a fluffy brush. using loose powder to clean up the nose contour. Then going in with the bright red from the James Charles palette. Adding red to my nose. Now stamping on this red on my eyebrow arch and at the very front of it. Now using this Fenty eyeliner, I'm drawing this strange shape on my forehead because it looked demony. Then using this black eyeshadow to blend out the lines. Now contouring my cheeks with the bright red from the James Charles palette and then adding the black over top, creating a sharp contour. Then adding red blush. This is the black liquid lipstick by Fenty Beauty. It is amazing. It stays on for so long and it's so black. It's awesome. Adding a red glow to the bottom and top of the lips. Using black eyeshadow to create a plasma drip from the nose. Spraying some setting spray on a brush with black eyeshadow, and then letting it drip down my face for these black plasma tears. Adding mascara, adding some little dots with eyeliner, then blending the horns in using red and black. Using this Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Rose Gold, I'm highlighting my cheeks, nose, under the eyebrow, and on the inner corner of the eye. Then adding a little black dot, setting spray, and then it's done. Demon makeup is up to your interpretation. This is another look I've done. Just add black drips and you have a demon. Add accessories and dress up your demon. Or just wear a black hoodie like I would.
Colder.